Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on downloads videos on your account on TikTok easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it. Here as you see you will find here downloads. Just click on it and click like this, and that's how to turn on video downloads on your account on TikTok easy and quick. And that's it for today, today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.